So let's move on. What's the next one say? That's taken me about 3 minutes. I don't know. It says, oh, here we are. You can print things like we just showed you before. So, okay, thanks very much. But you can do it with doubled speech marks. Interesting. That might come in handy later. And here is, we can have something called a variable. So it will store things in the variable. Okay, what if I change what's in there to print me? What happens then? Oh, look, it prints me. So it will store whatever I type into there. Got you. Right, here we go. Multiple things. What if I want to print 2 lots of things? So I can separate it with a comma, apparently. Okay. So I could, what about that up there? Because that looks like Harry and then comma Potter. If I wanted to put all of that in the same, could I just get rid of the comma and put that all back in separately? Let's put some R's on the end. Yes, I could. So I could put it separate, but it's not always necessary. But a comma separates. Right, okay. Restore that in my mind. Comma separates. Move on to the next one. Okay, this is asking the user a question. So, what is your name? Okay, and then down here, I can't change that there. But what is your name? And then it prints name. So it stores it in there. So if I go down here and run this code and say, what is your location? I put something daft in there. What will it type out? Oh, it puts in exactly what I type. Okay, I think I've got this. Let's move on to the actual task itself, shall we? I think I'm all over this. So it says, what is your, I'm sure I've just seen what is your name somewhere. Was it on the previous slide? I think it was on the previous page. Yeah, look, there it is. What is your name? That's exactly what they want me to put. Right, I'm going to try and copy that. I wonder if I could copy all of that. Yes, I can. Copy. I'm going to go back in to the page and say, okay, what is your name? I've got that from before, you showed me that, so I might as well use it. Paste that in there. There we go. And then it says to print out hello and your name. Well, it showed me on the previous page how to print my name. So is that enough? What happens when I do that? If I run that, it says, what is your name? So I have to type in a name. It told me to put in Grok, but I'm going to put Dave. And it just prints Dave. Right, well, that's not the same as what's on the left. It says hello, and then the name Grok or Frodo or Dave. So I need to make that change. Well, did it show me how to do hello before? Yeah, it did. It said, I put it in speech marks tonight. Print hello. So if I just do that first, get rid of that E. If I do that first, will that work? Will it just do print hello? It's not going to be completely right, so I'll put Dave in again. And run that. And it just does hello. Okay, so I need to combine that hello. Or combining things, separate them with a comma, it said, didn't it? Okay, so I've got hello, and Dave will be in that thing called name, because that's where it's stored. It could be Grok or Frodo or whatever, but if we put name, it'll put in to this print statement whatever is in name. Okay, I'm feeling good about this. I'm going to run this one. Dave, type that in. Hello, Dave. That looks exactly the same as that over there. What if, though, I had forgotten, because some of you, I'm not saying all of you, some of you are missing out the punctuation, even though I did say, watch your punctuation. So if I take out the punctuation, run it again, Dave, and to my eyes, that looks perfect, doesn't it? Yeah, because my eyes aren't working properly. So if I mark it now, it tells me, no, it's not the same. And if you look, it says, yours did this. I was expecting that. There was a slight difference. The slight difference is the comma. You put the comma in. You think you're right, but you're not. Till you do this bit. Then, when you run it again, you have to run it again before you can mark it once you've made a change. Put in Dave. It says, hello, Dave. That looks perfect. Let's mark it. Genius Level 2.